I'll be showing you guys how to make this effective whitening body oil that will whiten, moisturize, and glow your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a highly requested video. Someone have been requesting I make this video, okay? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this effective whitening body oil that will whiten and glow your skin. It's a simple DIY glow oil for light skin. So if you're interested, you should just keep on watching. So making body oil is very simple. The first step when it comes to making a body oil is actually knowing what exactly you want from your body oil, okay? So the first question you need to ask yourself before formulating or making any form of body oil is, what benefits do I really want from my body oil? So if you can be able to state out the benefits you want from your body oil, then you can formulate any type of body oil. So unlike other skincare products, oils are not water-based products, so you don't really need much in order to make a body oil, okay? You don't really need a preservative to make your body oil because it's not a water-based product. All you need is an antioxidant that can be able to help and prevent your oils from getting rancid and extend the shelf life of your oil. So enough of the long talk. So like I stated earlier, once you know the benefits you want from your body oil, you are good to go. So for this particular body oil, we want to make a whitening body oil that will whiten and glow the skin. We actually know that what we want from this particular body oil is to whiten and glow the skin, okay? So that's like a whitening glow oil. So the benefits that we actually want from our body oil is to whiten and glow the skin. So that is the type of products we'll be formulating today. So the next step is to pick the ingredients. So you need to pick oils that go hand in hand with what exactly you want to achieve, okay? So a whole lot of people, when it comes to formulating body oils, they think that it's much suitable to pack different or 1001 oils before you can be able to get what you want. No. So for me, when it comes to formulating a body oil, less is always better, okay? You don't have to pack 1001 ingredients in your product before you know that it will work, okay? Like combining 2 or 3 oils is actually okay because it will give you more benefits and it will help the different oils that you've already combined to penetrate deeply into your skin and give you that actual benefits you want from it than when you pack 1000 different oils into one particular body oil, okay? Like not most of them will even penetrate deeply into your skin. Like it might even end up clogging your pores. So when it comes to creating that ingredient list, you want to make it as minimal as possible. So before I go ahead to show you guys my recipe for this particular whitening body oil, so I'll be breaking down my list for you guys before showing you guys my recipe. So for me, when it comes to formulating body oils, I always like to use at most 3 different oils. So when it comes to making that effective whitening body oil, you'll be needing your base oil, your added benefits oil, your antioxidants, and your fragrance or essential oil. So I'll be going ahead to show you guys my 2 different recipes for making a whitening body oil. So with that said, I'll be going ahead to show you guys my 2 most effective whitening body oil recipe that you can use to whiten your skin even without using a body lotion. So the first recipe on how to make effective whitening body oil. So the first recipe I'll be showing you guys is basically for people that don't like applying serums or concentrates on their skin. So this particular recipe is 100% organic. There is no form of hydroquinone in it, okay? So let's go. So the first ingredient we'll be needing for this particular whitening body oil is your Halfcast oil. So this particular oil is 100% organic. It does not contain any form of chemical in it. It's a very good oil when it comes to whitening the skin. Okay, it whitens the skin very well. It also helps to diminish sunburn, wrinkles, and smoothing out your skin. This particular oil is what most pro mixers use in making their Halfcast body lotions and creams. Okay, so it's an effective whitening body oil. So if you can't get the Halfcast oil, you can substitute it with your Malaysian whitening oil. So you can actually get this ingredient from any organic store. So the second ingredient we'll be needing to formulate our whitening body oil is the beauty series oil. So this particular oil is a glowing body oil. Okay, it will help to give you that uniform complexion and at the same time give your skin that glowy effect. So the third ingredient to be needing to make our whitening body oil is the magic Kenacol oil. Yeah, this is an anti-reaction oil. It helps to prevent any form of stretch marks or green veins on the skin. So that is why we'll be using it in this formulation. So the fourth ingredient to be needing to make this whitening body oil is vitamin E oil. So the essence of using vitamin E oil in this formulation is to help prevent our oil from getting rancid and extend the shelf life of this oil. Okay, and you all know that vitamin E oil is also beneficial to the skin. So the fifth ingredient to be needed to make our effective whitening body oil is our fragrance oil. In this case, we'll be using our lavender oil, but if you have an acne prone skin, you can actually reach out for your tea tree oil. So using fragrance oil or essential oil is also optional in this recipe. You can choose not to add, you can choose to add it. Okay, so yeah, these are all the ingredients to be needing for this particular recipe. Okay, so all you have to do is to get a clean bowl, pour in 63% of your Malaysian or Halfcast oil into the bowl, then add 20% of your beauty series oil, followed by 10% of your Kenacol oil. If you cannot get Kenacol oil, you can actually substitute it for your Shenick Perfect Legs oil. Okay, add 10% of this to your mixture. Then you can go ahead to add 5% of your vitamin E oil into the mixture, followed by 2% of your fragrance oil. Okay, so once you're done adding all of this together, go ahead to mix the oil very well. Okay, you can use something to stir up the oils so they can mix properly. Once you're done mixing the oils, pour it into your container. Your whitening body oil is ready. So it will whiten and glow your skin. So the second recipe I'll be showing you guys, if you really want to formulate that effective whitening body oil, is so this particular recipe, the ingredients you'll be needing to make this effective whitening body oil is 63% of your jojoba oil, 20% of your rosehip oil, then 10% of your active. You'll be needing a concentrate, serum, or any active oil that you really fancy. So in this situation, you can use 42 hours oil, you can use your skin free milk, you can use any other concentrate of your choice. Okay, so your concentrate should not exceed 10%. So the next ingredients you'll be needing is 5% of your vitamin E oil and at most 2% of your fragrance or essential oil. So if you don't want to use fragrance oil in your formulation, you can go ahead to remove the 2% of the fragrance and increase your base oil by 2%. Okay, so these are the ingredients and their measurements that you will need in order to formulate the second whitening body oil. It's very effective in whitening the skin. All you have to do is to mix this together. So all the formulas I've given you guys in this video will whiten your skin very well, even without using a body lotion. They will whiten and glow your skin. Okay, it will give you that glowy, healthy effect. So all you have to do is to apply those body oils after shower. If you end up trying any of this recipe, please let me know how it works for you in the comment section. So all this recipe, they are very effective in whitening the skin. We have basically come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.